All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof, short wheelbase, white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. It's got backup camera, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice. Only 16,000 miles in this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage. Front bumper looks pretty good. Does have some scuffings, as you can see right there. Boom. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Let's check out your tire tread, which looks low. It's just under above 530. I'm sorry, above 430 seconds over almost 5. This door looks good. This quarter looks okay. It does seem to have a dent right here. All right, let's see. Can it be seen? Right there. Boom. You can see the dent starting here and go into there. All right. The rest of the quarter looks pretty good. Might have another little denty there. Here's the rear driver's steel wheel. Tire tread. Over 1130 seconds. That pretty much completes the tour here. Let's check out. Of course, you get power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Here's your power mirrors. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You get your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Boom. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 16,131. Looks good. Keep it moving. Check it out. This door, I see a little dent up there, as you can see it. Boom. Some more up there. We're gonna get a ladder and go up there. There's a little dent here, about 3 to 4 inches. All right. So a dent here, about 2 inches. A bit here. These doors do swing out, not all the way, because this is the shorty. But of course, this is what your cargo area looks like. Boom, very nice. Floors look decent. All right. Wheel well looks good. Wheel well looks good there. This door looks nice. The panel looks good. Normally the panels are all beat up. We'll try to overstuff them and the panels look all ghettoed out. But this one here looks good. Let's get a ladder here. Boom. Climbing the ladder here. There's a dent here, about 3 to 4 inches right there, and then a crease dent that looks like it cracked this and came over here to this side. So it looks like. Boom. Boom. The dent up there. Boom. And a dent over here. Yeah, some dent over there. I'll move this ladder a little bit. Oh, it's very minimal. All right there. Boom. The rest of the roof looks pretty good. Actually, I see a couple of dents. 1, 2, 2. You see it right there? Right there, that looks like a dent to me. Alright, there's a dent there. Top there. Alright. The rest of this quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. The tire tread back here is over 730 seconds. That's it. I think I see a dent here. Yeah, it's a dent right there. You can actually see it on my camera. Right there. Alright. Heavy scratch with a dent there. The door though will swing out. Does its thing. Side cargo area looks good. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no hole. We got a tear here, about almost 3 inches. The rest of it looks pretty good. Fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. Ain't tired, dude. It's just above 430 seconds. All right, we do have a dent up there. I'm going to show you guys that dent. We're moving. There it is. That dent there, it even has a little bit of rusting. There, I'll get somebody to spray it and touch it up for you guys. All right. All right. Lights. Our working vehicle is on. The little dent up there, folks. Once again, a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof, long mid-roof, short wheelbase with 16,000 miles. Any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.